Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost sounds. To begin, let's explore vocal techniques. Start by relaxing your throat and producing a low, guttural moan, almost like a deep sigh. Then, try a high-pitched wail by slowly exhaling through a slightly tightened throat. Experiment with varying your breath and vocal cord tension. You can achieve many different tones, from a soft whisper to a piercing shriek, just by adjusting these simple elements. Practice these for about 5 minutes. Next, let's use everyday household items to enhance your ghostly repertoire. Grab a balloon and rub it to create eerie squeals and groans. For a rattling, spectral sound, drag a metal chain across a rough surface like concrete. You can also blow across the top of an empty glass bottle to produce a hollow, whistling sound. These simple objects can add a surprising amount of depth and realism to your spooky sound effects, making them much more convincing. Now, let's delve into digital tools for enhancing your ghost sounds. Record your vocalizations using a smartphone or computer. Then, apply reverb or echo effects to give them an ethereal, haunting quality. Pitch-shifting software can deepen or heighten your recorded sounds, transforming a human voice into something truly otherworldly. Layering multiple sound effects, perhaps 3 or 4 different ones, can build a complex and terrifying soundscape, perfect for any spooky setting. Finally, let's combine these techniques to master your ghostly sounds. Integrate your vocalizations with the object-based sounds you've created for richer, more dynamic effects. Practice varying the volume and intensity of your ghost sounds, moving from a faint whisper to a sudden, loud shriek. Record yourself and listen back critically to refine your performance. Consistent practice, perhaps 15 minutes daily, will help you achieve truly spine-chilling and convincing ghost sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.